I'm going to take you guys on how to set up your Kali machine. So I've had so many requests on how to set it up from many people, even in the class and in the group, requesting on how to set up a Kali machine. First of all, you're going to ensure that you already downloaded your your program, the virtual bus. When you download the virtual bus, you could download this or the newest one, because I see the new ones has this VM logo. Download this, then also ensure that you've downloaded the Kali Linux 2020 SOO. Make sure it is a Power ISO file so that it could be loaded. It's normally 4 gig plus and it's long to download. So once you have these two things, your Kali Linux installer and the virtual bus, then you're good to go. Okay. So this is the virtual bus. Let me restart it again. So I'm going to restart it again so you see how it comes up. You go to new. So you go to File, Machine, New. Go to New, then choose the name you want to call it. Maybe Brian VM. Okay. Then it automatically selects the folder of the VirtualBox. Then ISO image, you could leave here empty. Then select Linux. Then go for Debian. Okay. Debian 64. I think in the newer VMs, when you select Linux, you only see Debian. Then below it, it's going to show you selected. So you go to next. You could assign this to the best. At least make sure you are in the green area to the best that your system could pick. Then go to next. Okay, this is 20 gig space. You could assign your own either less or higher depending on what you want to use it for. So you go to next. Then you go to finish. You see it here, Brian VM. Okay. Then we'll go to settings. Come over here to settings. Advanced, okay. Description, good. Systems, check, 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 check. Good. Processor, okay. Acceleration, good. Then what's it called? Display. You should take your display to the maximum so it could run smoothly. Your graphics controller, if you could see it on yours, check, okay. Then on the storage, okay. This is empty for now, okay. We are going to mount the what's it called? The Power ISO image letter. Audio, good. If you find out that yours is repeating after you could disable this or enable it. Network, ensure your network is a bridged adapter so it could pick up your internet. Okay, bridged adapter, Wi-Fi adapter so it could pick up your internet. USB, share folders, user interface, then you go on go. Okay. Now we are about to start the machine. We'll start it. It's powering up. Just a few minutes. Okay. Here we have it. It's coming up. Now it wants us to mount the disk. So you're going to go to the folder where you downloaded the Kali Linux image. And my own is on the programs. I downloaded it in my programs. So this is it here. So see power ISO. That's it. So ISO image. Open. Now mount and retry. Okay, graphic installer. Yes, because you want to go through the GUI edit installer. Else, you'll go. It will automatically send you to command line control, which is very stressful. Okay. Here you have it. Finally, your Kali is downloaded. So typically, I would want to reduce the size of the icons display. What are the icons? Interface. I like it that. General language display. Okay, I'll find it now. Maybe later. So perform your first run. First run. Use root. Then you put in your password. Authenticate. Once it come out, you first check your IP address, that's the address of this machine. Then second, you know check all the devices that are connected with the same network you have. So we have IPA. Will give you this, where you have the IP address you're connected with, that you have IP address of your machine. You can also do IF config to still provide for you 192. I think that's the same thing here. Okay, so let's do a quick scan. Okay, now for you to do the nmap, I think you need to install nmap 192.168.211.192/24. Hopefully it's going to turn up. Okay, yes, nmap is already on. Here you go. This is connected, giving you how many devices, 4 hosts are connected. So that is it on how to set up your Kali machine and VBox. Thank you.